Do you know what's happening inside your arteries right now? You could feel completely fine, no pain, no symptoms, but plaque may be silently building up, clogging your arteries and raising your risk of a heart attack or stroke. The good news? Your body is capable of healing and protecting itself, especially when you give it the right nutrients. Today, we're diving into the top vitamins that support clean arteries and a healthy heart. And no, it's not just about cutting fat or avoiding fried food. Let's get into the essentials. Vitamin K2, the calcium traffic controller. Think of vitamin K2 as the body's traffic cop for calcium. It helps keep calcium out of your arteries and put it into your bones where it belongs. Without K2, calcium can build up in your arteries and harden them, a process known as arterial calcification. Studies show that higher K2 intake is linked to lower risk of heart disease. You can find it in natto, fermented soy, hard cheeses, egg yolks, and take it in supplement form, often paired with vitamin D. Vitamin D3, the heart hormone. Vitamin D isn't just for bones. It's actually a hormone that regulates over 2,000 genes, including those involved in blood pressure and arterial health. Low levels of D are associated with increased inflammation, higher blood pressure, and plaque buildup in the arteries. Get 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight a day, or consider a D3 supplement, especially if you're over 40 or live in areas with little sun exposure. Vitamin C, the artery protector. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps repair damaged blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and even promote the production of collagen, which supports your arteries' flexibility. It also helps lower oxidized LDL cholesterol, one of the biggest culprits in plaque formation. You can get it from citrus fruits, berries, bell peppers, broccoli, or supplement it if needed. Vitamin E, the cholesterol shield. Vitamin E helps protect your cells from oxidative stress, especially your blood vessels. It also helps prevent LDL cholesterol from oxidizing, which is what turns it into plaque. But make sure you're getting natural vitamin E, D-alpha tocopherol, and not synthetic. Best sources include almonds, sunflower seeds, avocado, and wheat germ oil. B vitamins, especially B6, B9, B12, homocysteine fighters. These B vitamins help lower homocysteine, an amino acid that, when elevated, is linked to arterial damage and blood clots. Think of high homocysteine like acid slowly eating away at your artery walls. Keeping it low helps protect against heart attacks and strokes. Get B vitamins from leafy greens, eggs, beans, and whole grains, or take a B complex if your diet lacks them. Which of these vitamins are you already getting or missing? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share this video if heart health matters to you. And follow for more real, research-backed health tips, not just trends.